Okay, school's canceled today, Jill.
Yep.
Why's that?
Wind.
The wind has been unprecedented. And we're gonna go out and cruise around the beautiful city of Rancho Cucamonga and survey some of the wind damage.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Got the e-bikes charged up. Ready to rock. Okay, we've gone less than 100 yards from our house and already stuck on the trail here. It's gonna be interesting, Jill. Okay, that's a big sucker. City crews have been out busy all morning. Still a pretty beautiful day in Rancho Cucamonga. Okay, count the trash cans here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Of course, it had to happen on trash day, the windiest day in the history of Rancho Cucamonga. Number 12. Okay, there's 13, 14, 15. Okay, came up to get a little better look at the downed diesel. Tipped over. Last night we were driving back from Redlands. We saw 3 of them tipped over, all within like a mile of each other. So crazy. Here's some brave ones moving along slowly. Well, I don't know what this is. Something came apart up there. Okay, that's one of the biggest trees so far I've seen down. That sucker went straight through the block wall and took out their awning. And that's a mess. Wow. That's crazy. They cleaned that up fast. There's a tree this big right here that fell down this morning, and it's already cleaned up and gone. It's crazy.
That was huge.
Yeah. Other side of the tree. Big sucker. Into the road here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find a ride around right here. Big boy down. Okay. Another end of the road here. Big boy down. That may have hit that house over there. Woo. All right, Orange Crush. How was the damage out there?
Pretty bad.
Was pretty bad. Bad enough to have the day off school?
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah. I'll take it. That's in 25 years. That's my first day of them canceling school for wind.
Oh, dang.
I know.
Glad I was at school for it.
Heck yeah. All right. Well, it's never a bad excuse to ride the e-bikes around town. So
Yep.
Signing off
Bye.
for Kook Life Adventures. Kook Life Family Adventures. Yep.